Kim Tae hee is a South Korean actress. She was born on 29 March 1980 in Ulsan, South Korea. Her father is Kim Yoo Moon, who established and is chairman of Hankook Union Transportation Company in 1984. She is often involved in various charities to help out underserved youths and broken families in the Ulsan area. She has an older sister, Kim Hee-won, and a younger brother, Lee-won. The latter is also an actor and appeared in her television series Stairway to Heaven. She attended Samshin Elementary School, Daehyun Middle School, and then enrolled at Ulsan Girls High School. In 1999, Kim moved to Seoul to attend college at the prestigious Seoul National University, where she became the president of the SNU Women's Sky Club. In 2005, she graduated from SNU with a bachelor's degree in fashion design. In September 2012, Kim started dating South Korean singer-actor Rain. They married on 19 January 2017. On 23 May 2017, Kim's agency, Lua Entertainment, announced that Kim was pregnant with their first child. She gave birth to a daughter on 25 October 2017. In February 2019, Kim announced she was pregnant again. On 19 September 2019, she gave birth to the couple's second daughter. In 2019, Kim returned to television in the family drama series Hi Bye Mama. Kim returned to Korean television in 2015, playing an heiress who recovers from a coma with the help of a doctor for hire, the titular Young Paul. The show garnered strong ratings and Kim won a Top Excellence Acting Award from the Korea Drama Awards. In 2013, Kim starred in her first historical drama, Jang Okejang, Living by Love, as the infamous royal concubine Hue Ben Jang. This was followed by another period role as the wife of famed Chinese calligrapher Wang Shizi in the Chinese television drama Saint Wang Shizi. Back on the small screen in 2009, Kim played an NIS profiler in the spy action thriller Irish. It was one of the most expensive Korean dramas ever produced and was a critical and commercial success. Kim shed tears at the KBS Drama Awards when she won an Excellence Award in a mid-length drama, which was her first acting award, excluding newcomer and popularity awards. Kim left her then agency Namo Actors in January 2010 to join Lua Entertainment, which was founded by her brother-in-law. That year, she also played a horse jockey who dreams of winning the championship in the sports film Grand Prix. Continuing with other film and TV projects, she landed up with her breakthrough role in the popular SBS TV series Stairway to Heaven. The role not only shot her to stardom, earning her both acclaim and awards, but also led her to garner many other notable TV series. Meanwhile, she also became one of the most sought-after stars for TV commercials. Though she thrived to become a household name with her notable TV portrayals, her big screen endeavors, including The Restless and Venus on Mars, were comparatively less successful. She starred in her first Japanese television drama, Bokuto Star Number 99 Nichi, where her character is a Korean wave star who meets an ordinary Japanese bodyguard and he somehow makes her fall head over heels in love with him. The Fuji TV drama, which aired in Japan from October to December in 2011.